OpenAI has launched Study Mode, a new feature in ChatGPT aimed at helping students improve their critical thinking skills. Instead of simply providing answers, Study Mode prompts users with follow-up questions and encourages deeper engagement with material. In some cases, it will even withhold direct answers unless the student actively participates. The feature is now rolling out to logged-in users on ChatGPT's free, Plus Pro, and Team plans. OpenAI plans to expand access to Edu subscribers, primarily students whose schools have purchased ChatGPT access, in the coming weeks. Study Mode is part of OpenAI's effort to make ChatGPT a more effective educational tool. While studies have shown ChatGPT can serve as a helpful tutor, concerns remain about its impact on students' independent thinking. A June study revealed that people using ChatGPT for writing showed lower brain activity than those using Google search or no assistance at all. The widespread use of ChatGPT in schools has been controversial since its 2022 launch. Initially banned in some districts, many educators have since embraced the technology, recognizing its lasting role in education. With Study Mode, OpenAI aims to support that shift by encouraging learning over shortcutting. However, there are limitations. Students can easily toggle back to standard ChatGPT mode, and there are currently no administrative or parental controls to lock in Study Mode. OpenAI's VP of Education, Leah Belsky, said the company may explore such controls in the future. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below. See you next time.